Moving on to our Go Green segment, Mumbai has witnessed a huge rise in glass facade buildings over the past few years. But the question arises, is this snazzy and attractive building material responsive to cities' ecosystems? Our correspondent Satyavir tries to find the answer.
Glass facades have become an integral part of Mumbai's landscape. Corporate offices, malls, hotels and even railway stations are opting for a mirrored makeover instead of the concrete look. And pointing to its rising popularity is the fact that the Mumbai Municipal Corporation has received over 10,000 proposals for glass structures in the past 2 years. But the question is, are these buildings healthy for a city's ecosystem? According to the preliminary finding of a study by the National Environmental Engineering Research Institute, temperatures at one glass building peaked as high as 17 degrees Celsius more than its surrounding areas.
We used IR thermographic camera, which we use for something else. And in this case, we try to look at how the temperature changes as we move from one place to another. And we distinctly saw that the glass facade building and the adjoining areas had much higher temperature compared to building of other materials.
But apart from the heating effect, there are many other environmental and safety concerns about glass structures. Mumbai's fire department claims that glass materials are a major hindrance in firefighting and glass panels the greatest threat when a blaze breaks out. Also, the glass is likely to shatter in hot weather, which increases risks to pedestrians. Ventilation is another area of concern. Closed glass reduces the passage of air. Tall mirrored structures often turn out to be deadly traps for flying birds as well. Many developers say that glass has pros and cons just like any other construction material, so it's unfair to write it off so soon.
Aluminum and glass are the most time-tested material. It has got a very long-lasting effect on the building because it can take all the worst weathering, whether a heavy sun or heavy winter, as a matter of fact, a heavy monsoon also. So the minimum maintenance is required if the building is made up of a glass and aluminum. Execution of a glass facade building is very, very fast because most of these glass panels are actually manufactured in the factory and they are fitted with a lesser labor on site.
Easy to execute is the key reason why builders opt for glass facades, and architects say it's critical to mitigate its hazards.
Architects, when designing glass facade buildings, must take care that they indigenize the design rather than blindly aping the West. They should be using more of frit glass and building integrated photovoltaic, which would reduce and take care of the problems which the glass facade buildings have.
Well, glass facades definitely add to the glamour and business-like ambience of the city's commercial structures, but it's equally important to use it with extreme care to prevent environmental hazards and ensure safety. In Mumbai with Satyavir Singh, Nikhil Namdar, NDTV Profit.
If you have a question, just write into us. We'll make sure that your biggest money purchase, this property, is taken with well-informed and well-researched ideas. Property at ndtv.com.